There's a whole lot to be afraid of the depths of the sea where the sunlight barely reaches. It's an unforgiving terrain and houses creatures that are just as intense. These 10 terrifying things ocean primarily live along the floor, where some have waited centuries to be discovered by scientists. It certainly takes an incredible animal to survive water pressure as high as 8 tons per square inch, and these animals do it with an appearance that's just as brutal to match. Sarcastic Fringehead. The sarcastic fringehead appears relatively harmless when it isn't provoked and actually possesses no threat to humans whatsoever. However, when this foot-long fish is agitated, it will open its massive mouth in an attempt to fend off predators. It's that defense tactic that is both surprising and frightening. Black dragonfish. Only the female black dragonfish has the frightening appearance of an alien like creature with razor sharp teeth. The animal lives deep under the ocean and can even produce its own light, making it impossible not to notice it. Gulper eel. As the name indicates, gulper eels have massive mouths. The lengthy deep sea creature can swallow prey whole for that very reason. The animal is so adept at eating large objects that its mouth and its stomach expand to accommodate food. Fangtooth fish. The fangtooth fish is another deep sea dweller with a name to match its appearance. Its teeth are disproportionately large compared to its overall frame, making a perfect prison cell for prey after being sucked into its mouth. Frilled Shark. The most terrifying part about the frilled shark is its massive rows and rows of teeth, spanning a total of 300 individual teeth across 25 rows. Frilled sharks can grow up to 6 feet in length and are said to be constrict their prey like snakes. Giant Isopod. Giant isopods may not be related to insects, but they share a shocking resemblance to pill bugs. The massive crustaceans can grow up to 2.5 feet in length, which is scary in itself. They are otherwise harmless, found at the bottom of the ocean, and feast on other deep sea animals that are already dead. Goblin Shark. Goblin sharks get their name from well looking pretty ghastly. The deep sea animal uses its ugly appearance to its advantage, sensing prey with its snout and catching it with its thin, sharp teeth. Vampire squid. Vampire squids are surprisingly docile animals that don't even ink or suck the blood of their prey. The scariest part about the animal is simply its unconventional appearance and umbrella like tentacles. Snaggletooth. Described by Business Insider as a creepy looking fish, the snaggletooth is another deep sea fish with a fairly self explanatory name. Its teeth are slightly hooked, helping to snag prey. Snaggletooth can grow up to 2 feet long, though there are a wide variety of species that don't get quite as large. Barrel eye. The barrel eye sees all. This deep sea fish is transparent and has the ability to move its eyes all the way around to view what's going on behind it. Yet another deep sea fish, the barrel eye, shares a commonality with many of the other sea creatures on this list in that it simply engulfs its prey fully.